Hi, this is the summary of the April 2012 Tech Talk session on extensible menus. We're just going to highlight the session and answer some of the questions that were raised during the two sessions earlier on today. So, extensible menus allows I to have a menus driven by the user to add functionality and tools that they wish to access directly from I rather than have to launch third-party applications. So within the web UI, we can see here on my device, I have a group structure now called Tech Talk with a number of new menu options that I've defined to allow me to do some useful features, such as an SNP walk of the device, where I actually pass through to the command the device IP from the device I had selected, as well as its SNP community string derived from I's database. Another useful feature we also have, and I've added into the demo here, is the ability to launch other parts of I. So I've actually added in a number of reports that we have, say having to close Explorer and go to the reports menu and run it again, so I can launch something like a full operational state report. I could make this more complicated and pass through the parameters, but I've kept it quite simple and just allow me to select a device and run this rather than have to actually navigate through the report structure. We can also add in context reports, so we can make these in context menus, so we can make these user defined based on the type of device or maybe the device vendor, so that I could launch a tool relevant for the type of device I'm on. The tools themselves and menus are defined in a number of configuration files. Firstly, defined in the menu site specific, which is a file in the Entuity etc directory, and this allows me to find which menu files. So most of the menus I was adding there are in this example, as this is on your own servers with some slight changes. And the menu itself, I can show you here, where we've got my Tech Talk session, the actual group itself, and then a number of different commands. Here's my SNP walk of the device, where I'm actually executing this command on the server itself, passing through some attributes. So here's two variables I'm actually passing through, the device IP and the actual SNP community string. When you actually make these changes, they're not reflected immediately. You'll need to wait for I's internal process to pick these up and show them in the UIs. This takes approximately 20 minutes to run out to show. You would also need to log out and log back in again before they're visible. Right. So in the menu file we have a tool group that highlights the permission for this group. So this actually controls who can actually see these. So we can control that in the web UI, in administration, account management, and select on a group, set the tool permission to say whether or not they can see those user menus. So if I put them into a particular group, I can then control who can see them. That's about it for this Tech Talk session. I think we've addressed the questions, the issues that were raised this morning and this afternoon. And if you've got any other questions, then please feel free to drop us a line. Thank you.